3-bedroom southeast corner. The location, the beach and views, combined with the timeless sound of the lapping of the waves and the vast private lawn, create a residence that is simply second to none. The sliders to the east and south open onto your patio from a huge open concept floor plan. Imagine starting your day by gazing at the ocean and being able to walk out onto the patio and see mesmerizing views of the blue ocean. A direct ocean view. Expansive wraparound patio to enjoy outdoor living and all that comes with seaside living. The living room, sitting area, dining room and kitchen also enjoy these views. The master bedroom featuring a sliding glass door that opens to the patio. Split plan with 2 additional bedrooms with privacy. Huge heated pool, clubhouse, large 1-car garage.